All right, let me go ahead and let's everybody get a quick thumbs up, like and a share. And actually, guys, I'm really excited about today's videos for two reasons. The first reason is because this is the first time I'm streaming on multiple platforms. I'm actually on YouTube, my new YouTube page, New Strategy Trading. Guys, go and subscribe, like and subscribe to my New Strategy Trading YouTube page. And I'm also streaming from the New Strategy Trading Facebook page. All right. So without further ado, I hope everybody had a good week. Today is Friday. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the charts. It's all about the charts. All right. My last video, I had already got in on some long forward positions, going in on Ford stock to go up, and then I also entered Bank of America stock to go up. You can check that out in my last video, and where I entered those positions. Today we're going to do an update on that, and then we're going to also talk about a Bitcoin buy alert. Bitcoin buy alert. Remember, I'm never selling Bitcoin. So everything, all my videos about Bitcoin will be when to buy more. All right. So Bitcoin is something that I'm only buying more of, never selling. And only updates I will be giving you guys is proper times to buy, because some people still are not in Bitcoin. Some people still are not invested. And for those people that are not, but may be wanting to soon, my updates give people a proper entry so that you don't get in Bitcoin and then watch it fall 10, 20,000 points and then start going up. You want to get in it and then watch it go straight up. You don't want to have to get in it and wait. I know people, believe it or not, guys, when I first heard about Bitcoin, um, or when I first, knew people that was trading or invested in Bitcoin, it was right around the time when it hit that 20,000 mark back in around 2017. When it hit that 20,000 mark, the first time it did a major correction. It dropped all the way back down to like 5,000. And I knew people that had thousands of dollars, multiple people that had thousands of dollars in Bitcoin and sat and watched it tank and tank and tank and lost money, because if they would have stayed in it for another 2 years, it would have went back up to 20. So it took Bitcoin 2 years to go back to that 20,000. So timing is everything. When to buy in, the proper buy-in is very important. So let's go ahead and get into the charts, guys. All right. So we'll start with Bank of America. Um, I entered this on March 24th. Actually, March 23rd. This is when I entered Bitcoin. Excuse me, Bitcoin. This is when I entered Bank of America. You can go back on my last video and see that. This is why I always give my buy alerts. Plus, I have a few students that also trade along with me. And, it's all about strategy and when to buy and not. You don't want to buy and then have to sit in while it reverses on you. To have your stop loss set. Everybody knows about a stop loss now. This is how you protect yourself from major losses. All right. So we got in Bank of America at 37. The reason why, of course, it's in an uptrend. It broke out from this cup with handle, which I bought in way back here as well. Been trading Bank of America for a while. If you notice, guys, I have a set amount of stocks that I trade. Meaning, I just don't go trading random stocks. I have stocks that I've been trading for years. I'm comfortable with them. You know what I mean? Bank of America, Ford. I've been, um, uh, I have a select stock list. I just don't go randomly picking in stocks. Sometimes I'll see some stuff on the news or look at some charts in the papers or from Investors Business Daily papers, and look at some stocks. But most of the time, I like trading the stock Apple. I like trading the stocks that I've been familiar with trading for years. Okay, so we got in Bank of America at 37 on March 23rd. Why? Because it's in an uptrend, which is a set of higher highs and higher lows. It's trading above all the major moving averages. And it did a beautiful pullback right here to the 20-period moving average, which is an automatic buy zone. When a stock is in an uptrend, every time it goes up and pulls back in between these lines you see here. Matter of fact, I'm going to take the 5-period off. It's not necessary at this moment. But these moving averages here, this blue line 10, this purple 20, and this red 50, these are major buy opportunities. Whenever stock is in an uptrend and it pulls back to these areas, you want to buy. All right. This is where you may hear the phrase buy the dip. So we got in at 37 on March 23rd. The next day it closed at around the same area, didn't do too much. But yesterday was the day, and I knew that it was about to actually go up more. So when I got this big green bar yesterday, higher than the last 2 days red bars, and the volume was higher. So I actually went back in and said, I'm going to buy more. And today we got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful breakaway gap on high volume. See that big green volume bar? If you've been keeping up with the webinars from 1 through 4 already, you know what volume is. It represents institutions buying. Another thing is this blue line, which is the 10-period moving average that Bank of America was trading between the 10 and 20. That's tight action. That's the type of action you want to see in a healthy stock and a healthy pullback. Uh, um, this previous resistance here, you see. So I've told guys that my target is 40 or above. More